How you guys doing? This is Phillip Cooper with Total Roofing and Construction. Today we're going to continue our education series based off your guys' request of vinyl siding. So today we're going to be speaking of Variform by Plygem, and right behind me is their Camden Point series, which is their standard vinyl siding. This manufacturer has 3 levels of price point. So price entry 1 is contractor's choice. That's your economical model. They really only have between 8 and 10 colors. That's for people that may be restoring a home to sell it or rent it. As well as below that's your Camden Point. Camden Point's what's featured behind. This is your traditional lap. They do have Dutch lap. So when you're saying, hey, we want the thicker gauge, let's do the Vortex Extreme. So the benefit is they give you a great option of price point, but really what's the value with it? And I would say appearance, there's great things. Cost, it's tremendous value because you have great warranties with it. But more importantly, these are durable products. This isn't the vinyl your grandma had on her house in the 80s. This product actually has 6 interlocking channels along with your nailing strip to help lock in those panels. So it's really easy from an installer standpoint, and it's really durable from whether it actually is affecting your home. Their in-house studies have showed 220 mile an hour wind rating. So it is durable within those bad storms, as long as it's installed correct. So that's obviously going to be another big question. Whoever's putting up the siding, are they qualified? Deviate kind of that appearance. The number 1 con I would say that people hate about vinyl is going to be color fade. They hate putting it up because unlike the other grays or even wood siding, you could paint it. With this, you could paint it, but I could attest that color fade, they have a strong warranty on their color. You're looking upwards of 25 years and longer. And they'll actually put a Kynar finish on the outside of the vinyl siding to help protect those colors that are on the siding. So I can attest the R&D of this manufacturer is definitely improved over the years. So if you're thinking about vinyl, depending on the layout of your house, this is a tremendous product, Variform by Plygem. And you can speak with us to see, what level is good for you. But more importantly, if cost is an issue, if appearance is going to be an issue, as well as durability, this product really should kind of fulfill those needs that you're looking to get solved. So appreciate your time. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, send us a message or even give us a call at our office. We'll gladly help you and kind of steer you in a direction that might benefit your home. Thanks.